Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create, rotate, transition effect in Alight motion. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project in my Alight motion, and as you can see, I have added this image to this project, and I'm going to show you how we can create the rotation effect or the rotate transition. First of all, you can click on the image you have added, and then you can click on the move and transform option, and you can click on this icon to rotate your image. And we're going to use keyframe. Click on this keyframe icon, and then I'm going to go to the end of my image, and I'm just going to rotate it like this. Okay, and now the rotate transition has been created, and you can combine this transition with other effects such as motion blur, and you can edit your image as creative as you can. Okay guys, and that's how we can create rotate transition in Alight motion. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.